Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to connect your Wix website to Google Analytics. This will help you track your website visitors, see how they interact with your site, and improve your performance based on real data. It's an important step for anyone who wants to grow their website and make better decisions using analytics. Before we begin, make sure you have a Google account. You'll need that to access Google Analytics. If you do not have one, go to google.com and create an account. It only takes a few minutes. Now, let's go to analytics.google.com. This is the main page for Google Analytics. If this is your first time here, you will be asked to set up a new account. Click the button that says Start Measuring. Then, give your account a name. This can be your business name or your website name. Make sure to check all the boxes that apply for data sharing and then click Next. Now you are inside your Google Analytics account. Here, you need to set up a data stream. Choose Web because we are connecting a website. In the website URL field, enter the full address of your Wix site. Be sure to choose the correct format, either HTTP or HTTPS. Most Wix sites use HTTPS. Then enter your site name again. Click Create Stream. Google will now show you a page with your measurement ID. It starts with the letters G and is followed by numbers and letters. Keep this page open or copy the ID. You will need it in the next step. Now, open a new tab and go to your Wix dashboard. Sign in if you are not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the left side menu and click on Settings. Then scroll down to the section called Marketing and SEO. Click on Marketing Integrations. Here, you will see several services you can connect with. Find Google Analytics and click Connect. Wix will now ask you to enter your measurement ID. Paste the ID you copied from Google Analytics. Then click Save. Your Wix site is now connected to Google Analytics. It might take a few hours before you start seeing data. Google needs some time to collect information about your visitors. If you want to test that your connection is working, go back to your Google Analytics tab. On the left menu, click on Reports and then go to Real Time. This shows you who is on your site right now. This means your website is now sending data to Google Analytics. From now on, you can check your reports to see where your visitors are coming from, what pages they visit, and how long they stay on your site. Over time, this information can help you improve your website's design, content, and marketing. That's all you need to do. You have successfully connected your Wix website to Google Analytics. Keep checking your data and use it to make smarter decisions for your site.